Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope everyone's doing good. It is NFP Friday today. Everyone good in the chat? Luca dropping W's, I see. All good? Yes, Luca. All good. I hope you're good as well. All sorted here. Okay. Came in a bit late today. It is Friday. I usually come a bit late on Fridays, but let's see. Let's just do this analysis quickly then. Right, we got a news today. No, this ain't news. It's NFP Friday. NFP Friday, guys. So volume day today, hopefully. Let's go back to gold, shall we? Let's pull out the daily candles. Alright, so news wise, what we got? Half an hour to news, and we got like 5 different folders, 3 USD folders, 2 CAD folders. So if they all come, if all these USD come in the same direction, gold is going then. Like if all this is just a catalyst, and we'll just push everything in one direction. If they all come in like in one direction. So if they all come bearish or bullish news, we will just push in one direction. Let's hope news brings gold down though today. So will dollar get stronger today? What is dollar doing? Let's see. On the day. So dollar has been dumping on the day. What is the weekly doing? Yeah, moving coming down. Ooh, there's quite a bit of area for dollar to come down to. So it can keep coming down honestly. It's been dumping heavily, no push-ups, which makes sense why gold also has been just bumping up, no dumps. But we'll come back to gold in a sec. Okay, as far as news goes then, so we got some, obviously NFP Friday today, we got NFP main one, we got unemployment rate with that as well, and average hourly earnings. So with NFP, what we're expecting today, so the forecast, I believe, yeah, they always stay pretty similar, but news last 2-3 months actually, pretty much, yeah, last 4-5 months, yeah, for the most part, NFP always coming good. So I mean, you can see like so many, goes back till July of 2022 here, and only 3 times it actually came worse. So we can expect good news on NFP. So we can expect gold moving bearish. Same, I guess we can say for unemployment rate. Lower is better, I think, yeah. So they're expecting same as last month, but it may drop down to 3.6 today. And I don't think earnings matter too much. We'll see. So main one is NFP Friday anyway. NFP here, that is the main one we have to worry about. With news coming up, I'm just saying we're not gonna have any trade, guys, for the next 30 minutes, 25 minutes at least, till the news comes out. Once the news does come out, we can look for potential position. That's where, how do we find this position? We do the analysis in a sec. But with news, I believe we can expect drop down today. We will see. We will see what it does. We can't predict these things, so we'll see. What's the cat news doing? Actually, the forecast good. It's a mix. Yeah, a lot of news. Today's news, I do expect a lot of green numbers today, honestly. May see a red number here somewhere, but if you see green number on FP, this is going down. But it will go down before we see that, right? So we may trade the news as well today. Maybe not. Likely not. But we'll see. I do have a plan, but I don't think I would suggest anyone to take that trade, honestly. Okay, so the daily, we have been bullish for a week now. I think we had 7, now today's the 8th day at the moment. 7 straight days of bullish run. We've done the wick fill. We are making new highs now, so we don't really know where the gold will go next. So we really need bearish closures on the daily. We need at least 2-3 bearish closures to make structure on the lower time frame for us to get potential trades in the lower time frames. But anyway, so every bullish, we got small bottom, was not small, we got bottom wick. Now we may keep pushing up, we may push down, or we may just what's the word I'm looking for, consolidate for the whole rest of the day in the middle here. What's the weekly doing? Okay, weekly is about weekly today. Obviously it's the last day, closing in 9 hours. We got small bottom wick and straight push up. Okay, so monthly still doesn't have a bottom wick. We do expect we would want to see monthly flip, honestly, and if it does flip, we can start seeing some bearish moves on gold into the next month as well. Like, it's a big ask for it to flip at this point. Like, it's gonna take a lot of bearish pressure, just like how we had bullish pressure. We need bearish pressure to come down, which maybe today starts it. We don't know. Anyway, let's go to the 4 hour and let's see what we can get. Okay, so 4 hour, we closed bullish in the last 4, and this 4 hour, only 15 minutes left to it. We don't know how it's gonna close right now. It is trying to close bearish, but we have seen this last few days that it will push in the end of this 4 hour candle or the 1 hour. So maybe the next 30 minutes it may push, but it is also the news candle in the next 30, so it will make sense. It can push up and down. We don't really know. But at the moment, our plan will be for buys. Okay, I think it's gonna be something like this. We probably wanna take. I think 4 hours is hard to understand. Let me go to 1. For the 1 hour, I see this as a range, and also this as a new range. And you may say this is a bit of a range here in this box. It is a range, I guess. So we're kind of making structure on this new range, whatever's above this basically, and once we have support, we'll know if it's actual range being created or not. But at the minimum, you expect at least this as a range for the new range we're playing in. So good chance we tap this before we push up. We don't have to, we can always go up now. Last hour closed with no bottom wick, so this would be interesting how this 1 hour closes. Could be very unpredictable close. We not sure how it's gonna close. But 5 minutes left to 15. If it closes below, then the bottom wick, this shouldn't be a problem with no bottom wick. Right. So what I want to see news do is, the best thing we can do is take sells for that to occur. Sorry. Right, sorry. So yeah, the best thing I would say is we want to see a break of highs here. We need a top wick to break highs, and on the flip, we can start coming down. So that won't be the worst of possible trades. The same on the buy side, just because of the area we are in, it's hard to figure out. It's hard to trade breakouts, so we have to kind of trade like almost like fake outs, or like it has to grab wicks, it has to grab orders, liquidity from areas for it to push in the other direction. just how we did yesterday here. You can see. I wanna see what time it was. Yeah, it was NY, right? So yesterday we saw this was the range we were in yesterday. Right. At NY time we were playing in this range basically, right? So the idea was for the price to push down, it grabbed these wicks, right? So you can see how the price pushed up. It 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 grabbed all these orders here. It broke highs to push down. The next, what did the next 7 hour do? It pushed straight down and broke the lows here then. So you kind of want to see a similar thing happen today. What the plan is, well, this on the 1 hour, we want to see this on the 30 probably with the news. But the plan will be a wick up here, then we push down, and we can likely tap into 2153 zones. Okay, and our major zone will be likely around this 2130 area. Yeah. So that would be kind of our target, shall I say. Okay, that would be our sales target for the most part. We can always extend more if the news actually pushes down further, but let's see what we can get. For buys, it's hard, but I probably want to see a tap in 2162 at some point before we take buys. Unless we see closures above this on the 5, and depending where the bottom wick is after news, we will not take buys till then. Otherwise, if we get closures above 2171 zones on the 5, we have bottom wicks, we got everything aligned for our plan, we can possibly take buys. But otherwise, I need to see a tap in 2162 in this zone. We need to tap here before it wants to push up. If it taps 2153, it won't be too bad either. If the 30-minute opens up, goes down, taps 2153, and then flips on the same candle, maybe on the same 15, maybe. But if it does flip on the same 30, we may have a buy stop going up. And we can have runners for buys just because it would have grabbed so much order there. And we are bullish with trend, so we can have open TP basically and just take partials at different values. We'll see what the plan is when we come to it. And with the 4 hour, once the news has already gone through, well, the plan will be with the way 4 hour closes. I will do analysis again when the 4 hour comes to a close. So we will see what the levels are at that point. It's too early to say, just with the news in the way. We don't really know what the 4 hour will do. But I do believe we may have direction on the closure of the 4 hour. If we do close bullish, means we can keep going bullish for the rest of the day. Or bearish can signify bearish closures in the next 4 hours as well. So we will see what the 4 hour how the 4 hour closes, how the 1 hour closes, and we will try a trade base of that as well. But for now, the news plan is this: we ideally want sells. What you can do something else as well is, now this is a very risky thing. I'll suggest nobody does it. But sorry, one sec. Yeah. But the plan is, what you can do is on the news, you can take a sell stop just because I expect numbers to be coming good. Not just based off data, but I've done some research. Shadows has done some research as well on news, and he expects gold to push down today off the NFP news. He's not here today right now. He's got some work to do. You can always take a sell coming down, and yeah, your target will be 2131 on the minimum, so you don't have to do partials through it. You can hold it all the way down. Let's see how big of a push we get, and the stops will be 100 pips from where you entered, right? Somewhere there. Okay, depends where you enter, how you enter. We'll see. You got like 12 minutes for news, so we'll see if you end up getting a position then for sales. Obviously, the higher the better, you get more range. Only pitches that 250. Okay. Yeah. So with news, we'll see what we can do. I would not be giving this trade on stream. This is not a stream trade. I suggest everyone to be careful. If you get close to time, I may look to it. I may look for it. But for now, we're gonna avoid it. Alright. This is a GJ trade. We gave this trade on Telegram in the morning. It got activated very quickly, and we already got partials pretty quickly within the half an hour. So that's a good push. And second partials are here, and we have almost approached it. Should be 1.2 actually. 0.12, no 0.17, but it doesn't really matter. At this point, so just go up, and we can probably get another partials from this trade. But yeah, news coming up. Let's see what the news says. We will wait for the news to do its move. Then we'll see. We'll see if we get a buy or sell. Okay. $10 to go. COMEX is opened up. What is the COMEX gonna do? Let's zoom in. Flip on the 5. Will it flip or it keep pushing up? Is okay. Pushing up will mean 1 hour pushing up, which we are. Okay. Try to closing doji like this. But you want to close bearish, but there's some minor resistance here. No point in closing doji at this point. This resistance can be a problem. But let's see. So GJ, by the way, second purchase hit, instantly rejected by 7 pips. So we are up on this trade, 70 pips. Our trade is still open. Got 70 pips on this. Yeah, you're breaking even already. Alright, we're gonna ignore GJ for now. Full DP is another 50 pips from here. Let's see if the news pushes GJ up. But regardless, we got patches 1, patches 2 hit. Do not forget to join free Telegram, guys. I will show you the Telegram. Actually, yeah, I'll show you the Telegram, free Telegram. Trades are here. Let me refresh. Yeah, you can see we gave this trade. It was in the morning for me. And we got 40 pip partial secure and then 70 pips just now. Yep, I just secured it. You can see in the bottom of your screens as well. The trade was taken on the live account. Well, on the account that we're showing on the live. Second purchase was secured. Anyway, I was saying, yeah, just follow free Telegram. You could grab this trade in the morning with us. We were not on stream at that point. Let's go back. News 5 minutes ago. Okay, so what are you guys thinking? What's gonna happen in news? Let's zoom right in. Our target here, okay. If you take any sales, 2131 will be our ideal target. Let's see if you get a big push or not. Again, you can try sales here, guys. Personally, not gonna try and do it, but it's an option for kind of expecting it. But be careful, very careful. Make sure you put stop loss and make sure you manage your risks very well. Go lowest of the lowest lots you can. There's no point trying to lose money on this trade, okay? With this news, it can be very volatile. Price can move erratically anyway. do expect a tap at 21.69 hopefully before we push down, and if we do get a tap in 69 and 5-minute close is bearish, maybe below 62, we can probably try and sell to 53 at least and further down, and somewhere here will be your other level. I'll put it on later, but for now around 2140 zone. But anyway, let's go to 15 and news up in 1.5 minutes. Okay, 45 seconds. Hold on tight. Alright, good luck everyone. News is out. Well, that was something, guys. The news. We got good numbers, which what was I expected, but price did not. Oh wow, we just ripped. Damn. Doesn't like us. Does not like us, gold. We are pushing up. Yeah, so news can come in favor. Even this one came in favor, and this one didn't do anything, so it's still a bit in our favor, I guess. So it's like a, you know, news can come in your favor of the direction it should be going, but fundamentals go out of the window, and with the price section it will just do what it wants to do. So that is why we do not trade news. If If you take in a sell, it actually went down 100 pips. But anyway, we may have some buys here pushing up. We have hit that our 69 and 62 area we wanted at least. Didn't quite have 53, but it did have 56, which is still a good zone. So we may have some buys going up from here. What did GJ push? Yeah, didn't do much. Gave you second partials. Yeah, pushed higher and then come down. Okay. Alright, so you can try buys, but your stops will be very, very big. With the 1 minute coming down, let's see if we get a buy here with the 1 minute pushing down. Massive 5 minute candle low. 265 pips it did so far. I think we take an actual sell before it opened. Yeah, I think it's almost 100 pips. Yeah, price move 100 pips in your direction. It was white. Alright, we got Wickfield going up. 65 pips. What is 1 minute doing? Alright, lock it in, guys. Alright, you can take buys here, guys. Getting into buys. Open TP. No need for TP. And stop loss will be below the 1 minute lows. We can close position. We can close partials. Stop loss. Let's see. Alright, let's see if we can survive this. It did push very quickly. You could have secured position. I just didn't get a chance to enter and get out, but our entry is over here. I did enter a bit late on the account, but you can always, it's near break even, you can always pull out if you want. But we good. It's a small stops. I should have small lot, by the way, everyone. News trading, always go lower lot than your usual lots, because you never know what the candle does. But with 1 minute, looks like we may get stopped out here. We hold the straight. You can move stops to this 1 minute now. Reduce the risk a tiniest a bit. Because if it breaks it's low, so we just break the other low as well at this point. But we pushing up, let's see. Move stops. After 5 flips, again we are going down for a steeper bottom wick maybe, or it just doesn't wanna move much. But let's see. Wick fill is your partials. You may pull out earlier. Let me see how many pips that is actually. It's 50 pips, so you're gonna pull out earlier before the wick fill on the 1 minute resistance. Alright, it should be in profits. We're gonna go BE in a bit. I will let you know. Don't worry. You can go BE. You may actually go BE on partials, honestly. Came back down on B. No bottom wick. Alright, it's gonna be a quick one. We may go B earlier with the no bottom wick. Once the new one when it opens, it breaks highs and it doesn't have a bottom wick, then we will get out on B. We will go B on the trade. You can always secure partial if you want. We are 15-20 pips up. Alright, we're breaking high. We have a bottom wick though. Okay, 25 pips up. Okay, you may wanna go B at some point. I'm still holding. Maybe the 5 minute. You know what? Partials, we can move to wick fill again. This 5 about to close. If it closes bullish, if it has no top wick, that's fine. We should hit our partials. We can always get out, but we can have open TP, guys. And open TP, you know, just unlimited TP. Don't put a TP on yet. You can always put it later, but for now, no TP. Let's see. We are running in profits, no losses. Let me adjust this. I believe I got entered here. Alright, making bottom wick on the new 5. And we left a top wick, which is nice. So let's see. We don't want a steep bottom wick, we just want to rip. Okay, once we hit partials, go BE and let the rest of the trade run. Let's see if we get it. Okay, it's trying. Alright, go BE, guys. We can move stops to below the current 5. And you can secure your profits right here. I've secured it. Profits are secured, guys. Alright, we can see the rip up now. Let's go. Beautiful trade. That is 37, 38 pips almost. Let me check on my MT. Still going. We're solid on this trade. That was 40 pips, guys. Plus 40 pips. We waited, and we got our trade. Alright, we got gold buys plus 40 pips already, and now we got runner. We are break even. Let's see if we can keep going up. We have no targets here, guys. Just hold it, and plan is to just trail. Okay, we just want to trail stops. For now, you're gonna trade stops below the current 5. If this current 5 flips, which is near your break even, so we can leave at break even. It's the same thing. And once the 15 closes, as long as we survive the bottom wick of the next 15 and we keep going up, we'll be okay. But I'll let you know when to move. For now, you just keep your stops at BE and leave the rest of the runner going. According to my broker, by the way, let me actually make sure once again. Wrong one, sorry. 21.92 is what we got. Okay, 21.92. So second partials, we will do at 21.92. Okay. Okay, and that will be partial. Okay, on this 15 closure, we can try another trade, but we want to see a bottom wick, and then we'll see if we can grab another one. But I would suggest, with the profits being secured already on this trade, go lower lots than before. Lower your risk even further, okay guys? We don't want to wipe out our gains here. We have to trade a bit careful here. Alright, while we wait, let me quickly do this. Today is the 9th. No, it's the 8th actually, sorry. New York, gold, buys at 35 pass. It's pushing back. Pulling back a bit. That is okay, 15 pullback, that's fine. So we took buy of the breakout. That was a break of current high lows on the 5 minute. And we have secure 40. Yeah, so even the news came bearish for gold, it still did not decide to push down, right? It did the initial 100 pip down or 70 pip down and then pushed up. So news, this is the problem with news. We can't predict where the news can take us. It's just price action then. Alright, we're getting near our break even. So if we get a bottom wick, we'll probably get out of this position B. But if we survive it, that'll be wonderful. But we kind of need a bottom wick if you want another trade, which is why we're holding. But your second partial for this new trade will be here, by the way. Well, first partial now on the wick fill. But let's see. It made a small top. Will it push down and make another bottom or what? Can our runners run? According to my data, if it breaks 5, you can still run, but what I've seen is candle usually runs 100, 200, 300 pips when it doesn't break the 5 of the candle you enter. But this is the 5 I'm talking about, though this 5 doesn't count really. And we have hit break even. Okay, trade is done. But wonderful trade, 40 pips in. What else you want? So B got hit there, so we managed to secure 40 pips there fully. Great piece of trade. Let me update everything quickly. Let's see how this 5 closes then. But W trade everyone. Just bouncing back. That was a plus 40 pips. Imagine just hit B by this much. 2 pips. I mean, if it goes up now, it'd be a bummer. We get hit B right there. Those partials are for new trade that we don't have yet. We want to see steeper bottom wick. Then we may have buy stops. this for now is okay. But that's a trade done there. So plus 40 we've got. Volume died out on the 1 minute. It's not moving as quick as we had. Crazy candle. In 1 minute it actually made a huge bottom and actually pushed up and closed bullish. If someone's trading on 1 minute, there's no top way and there's no bottom way. How would you know if doesn't just reject come down? If you want to take a buy, just so crazy, you're just gambling at that point. So runner will be almost fits. Just a run B, and that will be our third win of the week, of the month. I mean, sorry, which is almost a week. Yeah, still pushing down. Break of these lows. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we have 15 flip. Will be our buys. Okay, and now we can remove all these. We don't need this. Alright, let's see. This 5 push right at the end. We have a bottom wick, okay. New one open with no top, just making bottom. If this flips, goes up, we may have buy stops. But we got 4-hour closure coming up anyway. And with the 4-hour closure, ooh, if this 4-hour flips bearish, ooh. This would be crazy. 4-hour close bearish. If you were to close bearish, you got like 200 pip stops still. It won't be bad. 4-hour closing bearish will be good. That means it was just a liquidity grab for the hourly or 30 minute. It just wanted to grab orders to push down. Even though there's no liquidity up here, it's just, you know, all-time highs. But with the wick up here, which is what we wanted, at 69, which means for 1 hour to close bearish or 4 hour to close bearish, it has to close below 69 because 4-hour bearish is below 69. So that means we can possibly get a good sells coming down then, which will align with my idea that if the 5 candle that you enter on closes, if it breaks its lows, then we don't really usually see a push up. That's according to my data, the journaling I've done, which is the data I've gathered about the trade. So yeah, GJ trade is still running. We're just gonna leave it to run. It's either B on those runners or we get full TP on that one then. I can show you quickly if you want. Let me go to 15. Yeah, just came all the way down, but now we may push back up and we get the full TP, but we'll see. Back to gold. Another 5 bearish closure, unlikely 15 will flip. By 15 closing, if the next 5 goes bullish, the next 5, so that means 15 pulls back. And if it closes with a body like something like this, maybe like upper here, like weak bearish or something, it will be like a seed replay for us, and we can probably get a buy up. We can probably see a bottom wick and then buy up. It's possible still, likely. Which will be the 4-hour closing bullish still, right? So we just wait. But we already got 40 pips, so we should be done with the trade today. 40 pips for me is like 20 pips on our normal lots. Okay, while we wait, I'm gonna quickly journal my personal account. The free journal link is in the description, guys. It is provided courtesy of Dawn Wolf. Link is in the description. Bullish, no. Yeah, just waiting for 4 hours to close, guys. Price just doing the same. Slow down a bit. I think just gonna wait for the 4 hour to open up, which may push us. Start bringing the volume back in the market. journal. Alright, 30 seconds guys, let's see. Get a trade here. Alright, you get it open, let's see. We wait for 15 to close. Yeah, we're gonna wait for 15 to close and then find potential position. For now, we're just gonna hold up. Don't really know where the price is going to be. So you got to Why 5 closed? Okay, let's see. Making bottom wick. What kind of stops we got? Alright guys, you gonna try buy stops? I think I try buy stops now. Maybe here. The main target will be the wick fill, but otherwise won't be that. So it'll be based off the 4-hour flipping again. I don't mind making a bottom wick. Your stops are high, so be careful. But 4-hour break is highs again, we can enter it. Wanna buy? Make sure you manage your risk. Lower lots, guys, please. Keep your risk low. Yeah, we're breaking on the lows. Break of highs, we should go. The best we get activated within this fight, though. So let's see if we get activated. We're gonna try again. Make sure you manage your risk, okay, everyone? Dropping down high beam. So no buy stops. Just why we never took buys at the start. I mean, I saw 5 pushing up and I'm like, okay, there's some range. We're gonna take buys right there. I was thinking we just gonna go 30 pips, I guess, but the problem is after striking this could be just 4-hour high or 4-hour dump when it's gone down, so I don't really know if it will wait for them. But 30 minutes is still on. Let's see how it closes. The 15. Still waiting on the 50 closure. Anything above 2170 will be good for buy still. Anything below, we're gonna have to just probably wait it out. And this may be a ranging day for the rest of the day now. We may not have direction, we don't know. But no buy stops, okay, everyone? Buy stops. I actually never put my buy stops, so I was gonna mark it as cute. What about it? Anyway, we go ahead. I am quickly gonna finish generating up. I never finished mine. 9, 8. Okay, this one. Yeah, still pushing down heavily if you put the 5 out. This is why we did not enter of this. Alright, at least volume in the candle. He's slowed down a bit, but now we're pushing up. Okay. And that's what I like to see. Right, we close below in the range on the 5, and 15 will likely close as well, and last 5 left. Let's see. That's too loud. Need to lower the volume. Maybe a bit too loud. 7, 3, it will do. Okay. What is everyone doing in this trade then? We may end up closing doji here. I guess we'll see what we do here. Yeah, this happened a few times on news. I may have a plan on. Actually, one sec, I'll let you know what I'm saying. May be taking these kind of trades in future. Yeah, anyway, I was saying we've seen this move happen on, well, mainly on the 15, you say. What happens is the news candle 15 makes the move. I only want to highlight the green one, this one, okay? The first green one makes a move up or down, doesn't matter. and then the next 15 will close opposite it, then the chances are the next 15 will wick fill down. And looks like this 15 may actually continue, which would be the 4-hour basically testing the lows to push up in this case. It can do that. We are bullish, and I mean, considering how bullish we are on 4-hour, you can see we only see a few red candles at most. Maybe already seen a few red here, so we may see a red here. We don't know, but chances are with this being the New York open candles and stuff, it won't probably close bearish. But NYC coming up in 15 minutes. Let's see if we have a trade. But that will likely be the last trade on the stream for the day if we get a setup. Otherwise, we're gonna call it. We already secured a trade. We are kind of back in the range. 30 may close bearish, which means we faked out. 1 hour did break up, but any buys here you'd have gotten. I mean, there's a small area to get by. 15 with the way it's moving, I do think it will probably test 2162 zone on the minimum. It may even go all the way to wick fill and break the lows. So 15 minutes. We may have an entry. It just comes down to how 30 closes now. Doji closure would be good. So now we can say we can trade a breakout. We are buy above, okay. Buy above 2169.5 and on the 30. So once this closes above, we can enter buys again with the volume coming in. But we really want the 15 to pull back now, so that the next 15 gives us smaller stops. Otherwise 30 stops will be too high. Any buy above will be looking too big steep. Then we probably have to go on the 501 to find something. But we will see, we will manage something. But we're just gonna wait. We're gonna wait 12 minutes. I was thinking if this 5 flips, which is the 15 flip. This is a possible trade here. It's like, I'm not gonna say take it, I'm just putting it for analysis purposes. Like, this is a possibility. We go up, retest 2173 at this point, and even higher. But we're gonna wait for our plan. With only 1 minute 50 left on this 5, I don't think it's best to enter on this one. But it may just push up with no, and it may not give us entries and just push. But good. It's all about patience, guys. Stay patient and we'll be all good. Don't forget to drop likes, guys. I wanna see everyone like the stream. We're doing these streams for free. It'll be free forever. Yeah, 5 did the thing, I guess. How many pits will let this be? Oh yeah, okay. We did the wick fill, 30 pips. Okay, that was a possibility. I was thinking it is possible, but personally gonna stay away. But this is working out for our favor now, in our favor. 30 is gonna close how we want. We want a bearish closure, or it'd be best if you close something just like this. But you got 10 minutes left. It may just go up. I forgot there's no other 50. This is the 50. Yeah, I meant the 5 needs to push up, so the next 5 can make a stone bottom wick. Five close below. Sorry, just 1 minute. You need 5 to close. I can't see data. You will want to close above this at least. Like close right at it, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, we're gonna wait. We can't take this 5 break 5 either. I didn't realize that was 30 pips there. Could have tried it actually. My stops would have been steep still. 40 pip stops for 30 pip partial. Probably not worth. Anyway, we broke highs, so yeah, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for 15 to close. For now, yeah, 15 closure above, which will be 30 closure above, okay? And then we can try and trade on the next 30 with NYC open. But I'm gonna be back in a minute, okay guys? Just listen to some music, okay? I'll be back in a sec. I'm back, guys. What we got? Alright, 30 minutes gonna close up. Still replay. Good chance we close up. Okay, everyone. We're gonna have some buy stops. On the open of the new candle, we make a bottom wick would be nice. What? So buy stops above the 15, I will say. We don't have them yet. Stops are a bit wide, but we're gonna go, my bad. We're gonna go based off the 5 lows. But we'll see what the market opens. So yeah, stops will be wide, just be careful of that. But we should have some buy stops. I have not placed any yet. We are waiting. Manage your risk, guys. Everyone remember. Potential buy stops will be coming up. Oh, is it not gonna close above? That'd be a bummer. Come on, 10 seconds. Come on, 1 minute, push back up. You don't have a bottom wick. That's right, push up. Almost there. Did we close? I think we close above. Oh, just barely we close above. I would have preferred it was a bit lower, but we got what we wanted. Alright, let's see. No buy stops yet, okay? Just okay, buy stop, guys, above the 15. Okay, buy stops are in. This is a volume time, everyone, so we want to see a good push up. Leave space for your spreads. I would prefer if you get a bottom wick, but we don't technically need it for the most part. But make sure you leave a bit of a gap for your spreads, okay? You don't want to be too close to the entries. It may get close to it, but it may not tap you in. Okay, everyone. Well, my buy stops are in. My exact entry is 72.6 on my broker. Okay. So buy stops are above the previous 15 highs, and stop loss will be below this 5-minute candle. If this 15 makes a new lows, we will have those stops once we break highs. Okay. So I wouldn't mind breaking lows again and then breaking highs. Will give us new stops for us. Okay, we good here. Okay, here we go. We're breaking lows. This is good. Buy stop is selective. We don't have to remove them yet. We will manage the risk. Remove the stops if the price closes against us. But for now, we're gonna keep it on. Partials would be this wick fill. Okay, partials will be the wick fill, guys. Alright, we got bottom wick. There we go. So it's a big bottom wick. Let's wait for the 5 to close out. We may have to cancel order and wait. But for now, we wait. This will be the stops now. Wherever this goes is our stop. But entry, we can move on this 5 in a bit. But I want to see how the 5 closes. We don't want to move anything here. This is still a solid position. It is a steady replay on the 30-minute. Okay, we flipped again. How's this 5 close? 5 close, respecting. Maybe solid. Stops a bit high, but hopefully once it breaks, we can put stops on a new 5 open. But we want 5 to close above for that. That will be another trade, okay? News is all gone now for the day. We don't have anything to worry about. No yellow folders, I think. Yep, that was the last. And it's a weekend tomorrow. And I'll come back to that. Okay, we close right at it. I want to keep buy stocks where we are. We can go like it will save us 7 pips, 6 pips, but for now I want to see where it is. If it starts getting closer, we can move it, but for now we'll see. If it breaks lows, we'll likely cancel the order because 30-minute may want to keep going down or steeper bottom wick, but we're still waiting. Alright, 3 minutes to go. Once it breaks lows, we cancel our stops. We broke the lows. Okay, stop orders are cancelled now. We're gonna wait. Okay. We're gonna wait for this 5 to close out and then we'll see. But we may have to wait for another 15. We don't want the next 5 to come up and activate us to push us back down, you know, just because we're closing bearish here. Or with the, I mean, we got a bit of a bearish momentum at the moment. We don't have a topic here, so next 5 can come up to make one. We just don't want to be in the trade at this point because 30-minute is wick filling, so it will just wick fill. And obviously our stops are too big now. So the 30-minute push did not work for us the way we wanted it. But yeah, buy stops, once we do actually come up, buy stops will still be valid above the zone. Break of this, we can push up on the 30 if it happens within this 30. Alright, let's wait. But this was the news candles, right? It's still trying to fill the range down. It's got 60 pips to go. We can look for sales below 2162. Once we actually tap there, we will see how the price reacts and see what the candles are doing. we can see if you want to. Alright, but we're gonna call it a day, guys, in 20 minutes on the closure of the hour. With the way our is closing, if it closes bullish, we will probably be in a trade before it closes bullish, so that's fine, and we can have open TP and just try and run up. Closing bearish means, well, it means this. It's the start of this, right? You can see, and then we can have something like this. We don't want to be part of all this. We tried it yesterday and ended up getting done with wicks and stuff. So it's not what trying to trade in these ranges like this. Unless you're only trying to grab 10-15 pips and call it a day there, you know. But we already have a trade today. Let's end the week on a high note. We are up on the week. We only had 2 trades on the week, but we only had minus 24 pips there and then 40 today partial. Should cover all your losses there pretty much. I'm worried 1 hour may just close in this range, which will be the end of the stream. We don't want to be part of it. It's gonna do something like this, just like I said. We're gonna have a wick. We may have a wick up here, like there'll be lots of candles in the zone, and we have wicks up here and a wick down here, but we call it close within range. So we don't want to be part of all this. We're gonna call it a stream there. So the only thing we can do is wait for 15 to close either above this or at least doji for a possible buy. Otherwise you can call it. But this volume, this definitely volume in this 15. You can see all these 15 candles are running 60 pips. So if you want to trade this range, yeah, go ahead. We're gonna trade on a 5. Let's see. A 5 hasn't really made a range for you to trade in. Maybe the 1 minute. So I guess that was the buy here. And you'll be holding it till 2170 now. Which at that point will be the 15 flipping. To push up. Okay. Let's see. I'm up for a zone here. We tap this and we get a bearish closure. I mean, you know, you can try sells going down, right? Which will be the 15 opening up. But 15 still really coming up. It's closing below range, but the range isn't quite clear. But anyway, the other guys, 1.5 minutes, we may have a position. Well, should I say another position? With the way stops candles are looking, stops will be whatever the new 15 prints. So we do want to see a bottom wick. But we are about to try and close above. Are we going to close? Which means 30 will be solid to push up. So we don't want to see the push happen right now. We want the 15 to open up. Alright, it's coming through. You ready, guys? I don't like the 5 doesn't have a bottom wick. It's too far off for the 15 to come down to make a bottom wick. It will just be wasting too much time. Come on. Do want to see close above though. It'll be the best scenario really. Alright. Once you get a bottom wick, you can do buy stops. For now, we hold. I'm not putting anything yet. That should be. Okay, we close up. Beautiful. We can have buy stops. We still want a top wick. Oh, bottom wick, I mean. You can try buys on the previous 15, but we have no bottom wick, so I don't want to do that. And stops. I really want to see bottom wick. We don't have stops. Why? We don't have buy stops right now. No buy stops, okay? We don't have a wick here. It can rip. I mean, you can try this, but your stops will be hit then, and it'll be risky. Alright, let's try. Should be in now. I didn't do buy stops, I just entered manually, but we're in. Alright, it's gonna be a quick one. Partials are here. Oh, come on. Alright, we need this to push quickly with no stoppage here. Now that broke highs, if it flips, there's a chance we keep going down, which is why we want to keep stops below. Just leave a little bit more. About 31 pips stops. But let's see if we can survive this. Okay, we have activated here, so let's just wait. We don't wait for the trade to do its thing. We can go buy. Took this trade on the open. 46 plus. TP, by the way, is open TP pretty much, but but 2185 is the target you want to get at least. First purchase will be here, second will probably be 2180 then. Okay. But there's a lot, I think it's a lot of, yeah, 60 pips. Once you get second first purchase, I will let you know what the second will be. We may manage according to that. And we wanna be quick on the break-even point here. We don't want price to reject off here. So just be ready with that. Can we survive the 5 candle not flipping here? I was filling this up. Took this on legs. And spread was based off 30 silvery, right? I don't have silvery anymore. Silvery, break off current high low on the 30. Okay, 5 didn't flip. So once this 5 breaks previous highs, we should have our partials. Yeah, we really need to see the push happen quick. It takes time. It's not ideal. But we're okay. If the 5 breaks highs, we can move stops to this 5, current 5, and probably try and go break even at some point quickly. But 5 is just taking its time. You can see the 1 minute is just waiting. It's kinda in this zone, so I guess it comes down. Will this 1 minute survive this zone or not? So will it start coming down here or will it start going up? This is like a breakout of this 1 minute or no? Yes, that's what we're waiting for. Yeah, we're still good here. Just keep holding it. Expecting some volume here. But it's not trying to. Yeah, 1 minute is heavily consolidating here. So with this 5 closure, we may see the next 5 move. This 5 just wanted to close like say replay doji or something. So will we see the next 5 move up? We close bearish, but we're still above the our zone. Once it breaks highs here, I do feel like we can start going up. It's just all about when it breaks highs. But it's too close to try and reduce the risk by 9 pips. It's too close. I'll suggest is keep the full stops too close otherwise. Okay. Stops are about to get hit, I think. We did not want to increase stops. It's just not ideal. And with the way 5 is moving, I don't think we will survive the stops. Will 15 flip here then? Leave a bit of gap, guys. Allow for a bit of area for 15 to trap below and then bounce back up because it can do that. So be careful. But I think my trade is still running. Yeah. Did the 1 minute take over then? Looks like 1 minute has taken over so far in this consolidation range. Like if it wants to stay within this range, I mean, you may expect to remove 60 get that, right? But let's see. Volume is quieter. Can we start pushing back up? What I suggest is once the 15 does close, we'll increase the stops by a little bit, I think. Depends where it closes though. So if it closes near our BE, that's fine. But if it closes below here, we need to leave a bit of. We need to allow the next 15 to break the lows to push up, so they can grab orders. But obviously 15 has to close above 2169. So yeah, we're just waiting here. Okay, this 5 close bullish. 5 closure bullish above this will be nice. Last 5 did close respecting, so we don't want it to close respecting, we want it to close bullish. Obviously respecting, but bullish. A closure, bearish closure here will give a chance for the next 5 to come down again, which may break the lows this time. So we want a push in the last 50 seconds. I don't mind if we have no top wick, because it is based off the 15, which does have a top wick. Alright. We may have to go break even on the break of the current 15, which is here. It will still be decent. Yeah, it'll be about 10 pips. We may go break even there, depending on how the candle opens. Did 5 pull back? 5 pulled back at the last second. Oh, what happened to this 5? Oh, we got bottom wick. So small bottom wick on 15 once again. So on the break of highs, we'll make our trade risk free. No closing partials yet. You can close partials at 10 pips if you want, but I'll hold the 2174. But we need to see the closure we need. It's coming back down, so if this 15 flips, just more time. We just have to wait for more time now. But we do not move stops now, because it can still make grab orders here to push up, but I'm not sure what it does. Oh, it's a 1 hour closure. I forgot. Yeah, with the 1 hour closure, it's a replay again. So a break of highs should be good. Alright, we're pushing now. Can we start coming back up? There's volume in this candle right now. We're pushing heavy. Don't like this one bottom wick, but we gotta manage position according to that. So will 1 hour just push for us? Once we get our first partial area, 1 hour should be good to try and run up. It just depends how fast we get the partials. So ideally we want to get in the next 10 minutes. How many pips is this? 23. Alright, we're breaking highs. So be ready guys now. We did not break high here. I don't like the 1 minute coming back down. The 1 minute closes above you, okay? If it closes below, that means more drawdown. I think we close below. It's not updated yet. Yeah, close below. Okay. Now we make top wick. So more drawdown expected. Okay. I'm thinking if you move stops to below the current 15, 122, which is the 1 hour flip. It should already flip 1 hour. We wait for 5 to close and then decide if you want to move the stops or not. But you had a chance to get out at BE if that's what you wanted. There was a chance there. What's take profit of 185.5? If you're gonna break even here, on the Wickfield didn't quite do it, but if he did, we'll have gone and we'll have tapped. It would have tapped us out. So that's why I didn't really go break even. We need to see a break of high. On the break of this high, we should see it try and push near partials. It may not push all the way, but that's when we can go BE. 5 minute close nicely. So if this 5 breaks high, so we can move stops to previous 5. Okay. We can move stops to previous 5 on the break of the high. Not yet. Yeah, just taking time. It's just a volume thing. Setup is there. We just took our setup. Just taking time. I've set the TP 2185.5. We may change it later. Just depends how the price moves. I'll let you know if you change. Do follow Telegram if I end up changing after the stream. Link is in the description and in the chat. Can we move? It's struggling on our BE area. We got purchase here. Maybe a good solid week so far. We haven't had many trades, but we waited for setups to line. Hey, is this the push? Haha, tried to break highs again, didn't bother, didn't do it. The school give us a juicer. I think I'm gonna go call Jerome. Almost there. I think it breaks these highs, it will spike. I think with the waist. Look at the 1 minute. It's slowly going up. The actual break, it can just spike up quickly. Or it can reject, I guess. Come right down. Maybe 5 closes doji, something like this, for us to push back up again on the next 5. What's the DJ doing? Alright, we made new high, almost broke highs, but let's see. Yeah, full TP might be achievable. We may get that today. So 15 closing 5. You want 15 to close above this line. So we need 15 to close bullish basically, and then we're okay. But I do believe if it has to break its highs, it will do it within this 15. Stops are still same, we have not moved. Moving them now, I feel like if 15 doesn't break highs, the next 15 can come down, break this low, and then push up. It may even break this low to push up, you know. So we'll wait for break of highs. We never got the break of highs to move stops or go B or anything like that. When we do get a break, we can move. So new 5 bottom wick. Is this bottom wick or just a drive? I don't wanna call it a day. Come on, Jerome. Push back up. Right. So when I was flipping here, okay, we came down, made a bottom wick. If we start rejecting again, that would be very, very good. And on the break of highs, we can move stops to this 5. But we have to wait. We have to wait. Will this 5 actually reject, close bullish, and break highs? We will know. We will see. I'm just saying the structure is bullish. It's just not able to move. So it's just waiting for something, I guess. Once the volume kicks in, we should be able to drive up. But 15 came down, made a bottom wick, trying to push back up. This 5 closure bullish will be solid. I mean, just like how we had this 5 here. We closed bearish, but then the next candle was bearish for a while till it just rejected and closed bullish. So can we close bullish on the same one here? Which may mean the next candle pushes up and hit our partials, just like the other one. Like the 15-minute is trying to break. 30 is still open. 1 hour is solid. Small bottom wake to push up. Can we flip on the 5? I tried to break highs twice and just did not manage to push past it. 15 closing up. 2 seconds left. Let's see how we close on the 15. 15 closing above 15. So we close above still. Stops. We're gonna leave it there still. We're not gonna move. We're not moving till we break highs. And if this 15 goes up with breaking highs, oof, we may have to still move stuff to BE point. But this 15 has to bottom make, but we're making it now. Okay, that's okay. So it may break lows of the last 15. I should prefer it doesn't break so we can just push up. But I think just broke it. Barely there. Okay. It's pushing again. And it may break this lows. The closures are in the burst. They're still bullish and all. When I was flipping again, I don't like that. But the biggest issue is the rejection wicks here. Kinda rejecting down. You know, trying to break highs. It will eventually break high at some point, but it may not happen for a while. And heavily pushing down right now. And looks like we broke lows and stops are gone, guys. It took our stops. Alright. Now that I grabbed order of this 15, it may eventually try and break these candle highs, but it doesn't have to. At this point, I think 1 hour doesn't really want to push up yet. It can make a steeper wick to push up, but we don't want to be in the drawdown there. We don't want to be in a trade anymore. We stuck to our plan and we took the stops. We took the loss there. Yeah, that'll be the trade then today, guys. We tried to take this trade, it just took forever to push. It tried to get us out of this trade. We don't want to be in this trade anymore at this point. And I want to call it a bit earlier. So we're negative 33 pips there. Okay, negative 33. Yeah, at this point it can keep running down. And because we had no volume, it may actually bring the volume now, which may mean a wick candle like this, right? So we don't really want to play with this candle anymore. That's how you got out. But we tried the trade, it didn't quite work out. Price just not doing its thing here. It is I guess it doesn't want to consolidate as I expected it to. But yeah, I think we'll call it done. Decent day, decent day. you should be, I mean, the money you already made 40 pips, you should be a BE point at some point now. GG trade still running, guys, solid. At this point, full TP should be possible. And we're just gonna wait, come back. There's a supply here a bit. You can try trade off this SL, but not right yet, not here. Anyway, have a good weekend, everyone. I'll see every one of you on Monday then. Oh yeah, on Monday we're gonna come online earlier than my usual time. Instead of 12:30 p.m. GMT, is gonna be at 11:30 a.m. GMT because the US time is shifting. We are, I believe, moving ahead. Yeah. So US time is moving forward, which will mean because I'm in UK, my GMT time will move back compared to US. So US will open, the markets will open earlier. Yeah, so we will not. Yeah, it might be also expecting some nice volatility coming in the next 2-3 weeks. I'm saying that because the London time and because the US, the gap between the London Open and US Open is shortened by 1 hour between that time. Because the US is moving this time, but UK is not moving this time till end of the month, I believe. On the 30th maybe. It could be 23rd actually. No. It should be Sunday. Yeah, I'm clicking on the wrong button, aren't I? 31st is it? Click. Okay, I'll just do this. There you go. Yeah, on the 31st, last day of the month. Stops. Yeah, last of the month. So we'll go back to the normal schedule towards the next one, okay? But for now, I'm gonna call it a day. I'll see you all on 11:30 in the morning for me. Same time for US. If you're in US, the time will be the same for you. 11:30 for everyone else. Or an hour earlier for everyone else other than NA, I guess. But that'll be it. I'll see all of you until next time, okay? Bye.